The coronavirus pandemic continues to haunt the whole world as the total cases inch towards 10 million. Also, the economies have been taking a huge blow due to these lockdowns, and now many countries have started lifting the lockdowns as they believe living with this virus may be the new normal of their lives. Everybody, be it scientists, doctors, medical research institutes across the globe, are racing against the time to prepare a vaccine for this virus. As of now, around 140 vaccines are in works across the world, out of which 10 are undergoing human trials. The initial trials are showing promising early signs, but it will take several months to know how effective they are. The race for a vaccine is heating up and some countries have made breakthroughs. So in this video you will get to know the latest updates and how close are we to get the COVID-19 vaccine. If you do end up finding this video interesting, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to never miss our upcoming videos. So today we are showcasing the countries in race for making the coronavirus vaccine. Starting off with the European nation Italy, which is one of the most affected country by this pandemic. Seeing the non-stop damage, this country has been working really hard for a vaccine development and showed some positive signs. Italian researchers claim that they have successfully developed a potential vaccine that can prevent COVID-19 spread in humans. A company named Takis Biotech has stated that the vaccine developed by them was able to generate antibodies in rats, and they are hoping that it will work on humans too. The researchers said that they are the first in the world so far to demonstrate neutralization of coronavirus by a vaccine. Entering into the advanced stage, the human trials are expected in the coming months, and they are very optimistic to neutralize the virus in human cells as well. Now moving on to the country where it all started, China. China has spent most time looking out for the solution to this pandemic. As a result, more than 5 vaccines are currently being produced here, and they claim that a vaccine will be ready for the masses by the end of this year. The Chinese company Sinovac Biotech has been working on a vaccine named CoronaVac. They have reached stage 2 of trials. The vaccine has shown promising results in the first phase, where it was tested on monkeys, and stage 3 human trials will be kick-started soon. The nation is hopeful of getting good results and have even said that they are 99% sure that the vaccine would help in curbing the spread of this virus. A vaccine breakthrough will help China in rebuilding its reputation before the world and reviving its economy. And now coming to our great nation India, which has been witnessing rise in the cases at an alarming rate for past few days. India is also not far behind in the race towards COVID vaccine. Health Minister Harshvardhan has said 4 of its vaccine candidates might enter clinical trial stage in next 3-5 months. Bharat Biotech International Limited is working jointly with ICMR to develop a vaccine named Coroflu. They have said they are moving in a positive direction and next 1 month would be really crucial. Speaking of India, you can also check out our video on positive impact of coronavirus lockdown by clicking on the I button above. Meanwhile, in a separate development, National Institute of Virology has been given permission by the government to do clinical trials for a vaccine on female monkeys. Apart from this, Pune-based Serum Institute of India is a leading contender for a vaccine development, as it has signed a licensing deal with British company AstraZeneca to provide 400 million shots of a potential vaccine set to be delivered by the end of 2020. Another leading contender in the race for vaccine development is the global superpower United States of America. It is the worst hit nation by this pandemic so far. More COVID-19 vaccines are being developed by researchers in United States than in any other country. Moderna's mRNA vaccine is among the leaders in this race. It is being seen as one of the most promising contenders globally. It has successfully produced protective antibodies in small group of healthy volunteers. It has also passed its initial safety checks and has met an important milestone in bringing it closer to the public. Moderna is looking to start final phase of trials as early as July. Along with this, pharmaceutical company Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech have also developed a vaccine and have started delivering doses to its candidates for initial human testing in USA and Germany. US government and researchers are hopeful of any of these to be ready in first half of 2021. But they still doubt the durability of these vaccines, which will be cleared when the trials are successful. And finally, the leader of the race in developing the COVID-19 vaccine is the Great Britain. The Oxford University, in collaboration with British pharma giant AstraZeneca, has developed a potential vaccine named AZD1222. It seems to be the front runner in the race right now. The team undertook animal trials in April, and these trials were promising as all the 6 animals given the vaccine did not become infected with the virus. And now they would look to move into clinical trials by this month, with larger scale trials in October for more than 10,000 people. It is an important step towards developing a safe and effective vaccine against the novel coronavirus. Speaking of this virus, you can also check out our video on how to safeguard yourself against this deadly virus by clicking on the I button above. They are aiming to roll out up to 2 billion doses of coronavirus vaccine in September if ongoing trials prove successful. The company has declared to make the vaccine available to the developing countries at the lowest possible cost. There is still no guarantee that vaccine will work, but the company has started production for this vaccine well in advance in case it does prove effective. In the end, we would say it might be a bit early to say which vaccine candidate will prove to be successful. Experts still suggest that it could take anywhere between 12 to 16 months for the world to get a successful vaccine in the market. However, many countries are going extra mile to find permanent solution to halt this pandemic, and we are really optimistic that we will definitely win this war and world will be back to normal sooner than later. What is your opinion regarding the COVID-19 vaccine? Please share your valuable thoughts in the comment box down below. If you liked our video, please hit that like and subscribe button as it supports us in bringing more interesting stuff for you. So friends, it's a wrap for now. Until next time, this was Thunders Updates signing off.